Uttarakhand government started a free air ambulance service to rescue people from remote villages. CM Pushkar Dhami had earlier directed officials to start the service following incessant rains. In a tweet, Dhami also ordered the airlifting of 3 people who have been injured in Chamoli's Maithana. The injured have been shifted to Dehradun hospital for better treatment. On Friday, Dhami met the kin of the people who went missing in a landslide in Dungri village. On October 20, 2 people went missing as heavy rain triggered the landslide at Dungri village. As per DM, rescue by local administration and disaster management agencies were launched. Amid torrential rains, the hilly state has witnessed flooded roads, landslides and overflowing rivers. On Thursday, HM Amit Shah conducted an aerial survey of rain-affected areas of Uttarakhand. Death toll in the state has mounted to over 60, while around 11 people are still missing.